Alright guys, welcome to part 6 of my Godot tutorial series. My name is Siobhan. So today we're gonna go over making tile maps and tile sets. So let's just go straight to it. So let's go on the world node and add a tile map. I had it there already. So tile map. Then now we have the tile map here. You need to set the cell size. Cell size should be the size of each sprite that you're gonna use. So 32 by 32. That's what I think I have for the sprites. Then you hit create tile set, new tile set, and click on it. And then I have this tile set here. Let me show you a picture of it. It's pretty simple. I used it for my brackets game job.
Welcome to the first tutorial done by Brackies. Hello everyone, hello everyone, hello everyone, hello everyone, hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Hello everyone, hey everyone, it's me. Hello everyone, happy new year, yo dog. Hello everyone, hello everyone, hello everyone, hey everyone, hello everyone. Hello everyone. As you can probably guess from the title of this video, we have some news that we would like to share with you. This is pretty crazy, so I'm just gonna come right out and say it. This is our last video.
Well, that sucks. He was my favorite YouTuber when it comes to programming, with Unity. 2020 is sucking so bad. Anyways, let's get to the tutorial. I'm gonna use this. So then you can drag it in, or you could use this button here and search for it, and open. So in order to make a tile, you hit new single tile and then enable snapping, and you could select what tile you want. So let's go with that one. And over here by select tile, you could change the tile name to, I don't know, say wood. So that would be this one tile here. So that's just one single tile. You click on the tile map and you'll see it here to use. So now I could just place it everywhere. Wait. There you go. Smiley face, sort of. Okay, I'm getting distracted. I'm sorry, guys. Let's delete that. So I really want to go over every tile. Where is it? So you click on the to get the menu back. You click on the tile map and then click on the tile set here. And then now you click on this image and you'll get back to here. So we have a single tile created. If you want to create, say, a whole tile set, you hit the atlas and then you have to define a region. So you go here and just drag. So now we have that whole region selected. So all of these tiles will now be a tile map. So let's name that atlas up here. Atlas. And now you could go back to the map. And when you click on the atlas, you should get all these tiles. Oh, there was one thing I forgot to show you guys. If your tile looks blurry like that, when you zoom into it, you need to go to the tile set, then go to import, and turn off filter. I purposely left it on just to show you guys, and then press re-import. There you go. There's no more blur. Alright, so let's go back to here and open them up. So that's a tile set. So the cool one I like is creating auto tiles. So an auto tile like automatically places the tiles for you, based on where you have the first tile placed. Let me just show you. Hit that, define a region. For some reason I can't select this, else it switch back to the atlas. That's why I dragged it that way the first time from that one. So I just leave a blank space and just drag here. So let's call this auto tile. So a few things you have to do is right here You have to auto tile bit mask. This defines like how many corners are on the tile. Not really the corners, but the edges of the tile. So just to let me show you that one for example. So you go down here and switch to bit mask. So I can only pick the 4 sides of the tiles, but we have, you know, we have like a 2-dimensional. So you need a tile for this side, you need a tile for the corners, you need a tile for the top and the bottom. So you need to use 3. So use 3 minimal. The regular tree seems weird. I don't even want to try it, but the minimal, and then now you could pick top, bottom, right, left, top left, top right, one left, and one right. Delete that. So alright, the idea with bitmask is that anywhere you think your character won't be able to go, you could use it for that. Not necessarily, but well, for platformers in general. So anywhere you put red, assume that the player won't be able to go to it. So let's just do this whole section. That, there, and there, and then there. So like the corners, you know, the player will be able to touch. And this one, these are the corner tiles for these. You know that when you curve up, you'll have that tile right at the middle. So this just the outer section allow the player to reach that one. So like that. Alright. So now we have that set. Save. And then go back to the tile map. Now you have the auto tile option here. And then now I could just draw a tile. See how it does? Creates it for me. There you go. The reason why it does that with the middle tile, it doesn't have a tile to fit there, so it just puts the default tile. Alright. And that's how simple that is. Alright, let's do one more thing. Collisions. So let's create the level first. Let's just do something quick, like there, like that. Oops. Got the coins here, I don't want to cover those. And that. Let's make a simple level. And there you go. I don't even need to do this, but let's just delete these. We have a little workspace here. There you go. That's a simple level. Let's just save. Alright, let's go back to auto tiles. The tile menu, tile sheet menu. So now we're gonna define collisions. So let's see like the different options, like these 2 arrows. It's kind of a bit arbitrary. It cycles between the different options we have over here. It cycles between these 3 things. So let's go back to it and then hit that. Then you could hit here. You could look at the name that we made. You see that it's switching between them. So let's define with the auto tile. Where is it? Oops. With the auto tile, let's define a collision. So with collisions, you need to like hit here, create a new rectangle, and drag. Oops. I may have messed something up. Select the collision. Yep, I usually do that. I'm not sure why does that happen. Hold on. Control Z. Oops. Am I still on auto tile? Yes, I am. Alright, let's turn off those names. Hit this button here to hide the names. Select there. Like that. It's one tile. have to hit it again. So I kind of hate that you have to keep pressing it each time. Oh, actually, I hit it and then I press the button. Then I do that. Hit that again. Press the button. Do that. Do that. This is the one part I don't like. Defining the collision shapes. Collision tiles, I mean. You have to actually select the tile, then press it, then press away from it. It's kind of dumb to me. Then hit that one again. Press that. Click away from it. Hit that. Press that. Click away from it. I wish there was a way to just select this whole thing and it automatically knows that I want all those to have collision. Select that. But I guess it makes sense in a way. Hit this one. Click that one. Click that one. Click that one. And these two. Click that one. Click that one. Click that one. And there's one more thing too. You could define, like for a platform, you could make the character jump through it from the bottom. So let's create these first and then I'll show you. That one and that one. So when you click on the tile, you could go here where collision is. Where is it? Collision. Select the collision one way. There you go. The second option here. So on. This one on. This one on. And the margin is defined what direction is one way. So I think this should be a negative, but I'll just leave it and see what it does. Let's create that in the map. So we're pretty much finished there. I'm not gonna use these just for example. It's just an example, I mean. So we'll go back to auto tile. Create two of these here, so I could jump to them. Probably another one. Why not? And then make that a longer one. So let's try it out. Play. Where is it? Oh, that took a while. There you go. Collision. And then I could pick those up. Oh, there's one problem. I need to increase my jump height on the player. Okay, there's one thing I didn't show with my other tutorials. You could export variables. I think I did show that, I'm not sure. So move speed, jump velocity. You add export. So you could change it outside of the script. So export move speed too. Save. Alright, let's go back to it, and then we could change this to maybe 390 and 150 for speed. Move speed. Save. Try it again. Alright. Jump here. See that? But I'm still not jumping high enough. You know, this is all stuff you have to play with until you get it right. Let's make it 420. No pun intended. Alright. It does. There you go. Yeah. Level design, guys. Level design. Can't make it. No. Oh, there you go. And obviously we can't get down there. Alright. That should be it for this tutorial, guys. See you in another one. Part 7. I'm not sure what I'm gonna go over. I have an idea, but alright, guys. Later.